All right, we got a new e-reader. We're gonna check out the Xteink X4, but it just came in, so we're gonna see what we've got. Okay. For micro SD card, interesting. Patch installation cleaning kit. Looks like this is a screen protector. I'm not sure. Let's see what we've got going on here. Here is the e-reader. And how did I lose that? Let's see what we've got. Small. This is a genre that's not really explored, a form factor that's not really explored by any of the big makers. Okay, and it's a little guy. What else do we have in here? Some cables. And an instruction booklet. This might be the magnetic ring, I'm not sure. We can check to see if it fits a little bit later. And this is all in Chinese. So we will see if we can make any sense of this. I won't be able to translate anything on the fly because my phone is currently filming this video and my backup phone is dead. So we've got some page turn buttons on the bottom. So we've got power and volume on the right side. Got a USB-C port right there. And it looks like we got something going on down here. Maybe that's an SD card? I'm not sure. Let's see if we can turn this thing on. It's a reset button, interesting. Okay, we're cooking. Looks like the battery's full too, so that's probably settings. Do we have to hold it? It's not touchscreen. I have no idea what that means. Interesting. So this might be completely out of my league. Oh, interesting. So this button does two different things. Aha. Okay, so this is really four buttons going on right here. And now let's just push some buttons and see if we can figure something out. So this is a volume rocker, and this right button kind of does the same thing. All right, let's see what this one does. Oh, beautiful. Got it in one. Language is English. Beautiful. What other? Okay, let's just play with it. So it looks like we've got two different Mandarins and then an English. External font speed. Sleep time. So this UI could use a little bit more work. You know, there's no space between the number and the word minutes. Progress bar, beautiful, hold power. All right, let's go back. Oh, wonderful. No reading history, interesting. All right, let's see if we can connect to Wi-Fi. Network connection, save networks, upload from phone, upload from PC. Network connection. Scan Wi-Fi, beautiful. All right, I'll have to blur some of this out. Oh, this should be interesting. All right. All right, left and right is move. Hopefully that's up and down. Very nice. That's pretty good. Hold back to exit. Side keys up, down. Press OK. Enter. Press back. Backspace. Hold OK. All right. Oh, geez. Oh, interesting. All right. Okay, I can do this. So I'll blur this out and speed it up, or just cut. Back for backspace. There we go. But let's connect to Wi-Fi here. There we go. Is that right? No. Okay. Not the best system, but I think it's the best available system. Okay. So now what? Press OK is the enter, move, caps lock, hold back, exit. Is that going to do it? You don't want a backspace. Hold back to exit. Can I? Okay. Now are we connected? Interesting. Switch success. Upload from phone. Are we actually connected? I don't know what that was. Okay. So I might have to manually upload to this, but let's see what we got. Well, that's not ideal. Next chapter. Okay, so there is a quick look at the Xteink X4. I'm going to put some more time into this and see what it looks like and how it works. But enjoy that little taste before you get a more thorough review coming up in the next couple weeks.